Now on to a follow-up to a WECT Investigates report. It's called a public record for a reason. Public institutions use your money to operate, so state laws allow public oversight for how that money is spent. But we've gotten pushback recently on a public records request to Cape Fear Community College. WECT's investigative reporter Ann McAdams originally got the tip. Someone said we should look into what the college is spending. So Ann, what's the new information you have for us tonight?
John, someone who works at the college specifically suggested that we request the invoices from the school's attorneys after a sudden spike in legal fees. We just found out the school spent almost $50,000 on attorneys during the month of January alone. That's twice the amount they'd previously told us they'd spent and more than they spent on attorneys during the entire year in 2019. CFCC initially refused our request for the bills from Warden Smith, saying they were protected under attorney-client privilege. They finally complied after we hired an attorney, but the college redacted 85% of the line item expenses during the month of January when legal expenses surged. There are no ongoing lawsuits that would help explain the huge jump in expenses. Our tipster told us college leadership was using the attorneys for guidance on dealing with the media requests, specifically related to a story WECT did in January when several outgoing executives from the college questioned the college president's leadership. If that's true, it could be problematic. Back in 2015, the state auditor said it was inappropriate for a former CFCC president to hire a PR firm to help with bad press, considering it a personal expenditure to help the president's image rather than to advance the mission of the college. John?
Well, Ann, I know you saw in the video there the number of redactions. Anything significant that you found that they did not black out?
John, the college attorney was looking into the amount of turnover going on at the college, and there were several line items involving preparing for an upcoming meeting with the Board of Trustees, including correspondence with the board chair on, quote, audience control. John?
And we have a story already up on WECT.com with more of that information. Ann McAdams live in the newsroom. Thanks.